I'm into banking and financial services, being a sales and business development guy for quite a long. But I think this is definitely a life-changing experience for me.
Avadhut Sathe Training Academy.
Sir ने already life पूरे मजे में set कर दी. So what I want to start with, sir, is like in all rut of life, we all struggle to find the real meaning and real destination, and then to change the course of life. But a true teacher can. So I think, and the teacher can definitely do it by imparting that life skill, and you are doing that, and which you are passing to everyone. You are making everyone independent. I think hats off and salute to your mission, and count me in for that. That values are imbibed, and I think I'm silent. Want to be a kind of a learning in a very, very disciplined manner, getting those kind of values in me,
Very
right?
good.
So that at least I can be part of that mission.
Absolutely.
In a big manner.
You will be, dear. What do you do?
So, I'm into banking and financial services, being a sales and business development guy for quite a long, and associated with, kind of a various banks so far. But I think this is definitely a life-changing experience for me. So I really, really thank you for imparting those values, and definitely on a hunt for those sharks. And as they say, one parting line, as they say, to be great and to be called great makes great difference. And that's what ASTA is about. Definitely.
Absolutely. Perfect.
Yeah.
Good, yeah. All the best.
Pleasure. Thank you. Thank you so very much.
Become a pro. Money will flow, the fastest way to grow. Avadhut Sathe Training Academy.
To register for our upcoming stock market eye openers, click on the link in the description box.